a mystery on our hands this week. Us scholars in the room are the crew of the mighty ship, the Envisioneer.
While in search of an ancient treasure, we were marooned on an island, and a key part of our navigational map went missing.
Of the entire crew, we consider 4 suspects.
Using our many skills, we were able to figure out that Dr. Smart was behind it all.
With the help of a shipwright nest.
We also learned about splints and splits. Here's an example of a splint. Here you can see that there is a SAM splint and gauze or cloth that can be put to attach the SAM splint to the lip. We also made model lungs to help model the respiratory system and see how it works, because a lot of the captain's crew was becoming sick. We made the model lungs and we saw how the respiratory system works, as well as a few different diagrams.
Engineering played a big part this week.
We had to build robots, car rides, and bridges.
We coded our robots, but you can also draw it.
Engineering is simple if you know the basics.
But that's not all.
We built park rides and bridges too.
We completed everything by working together.
In Pathways to STEM and Vision, we have been learning a lot of things, but today we will be talking about the calf heart dissection and snake bite observation. First, we will start talking about the snake bite, or the dissection. Because Dr. Smart wanted to see what the heart would look like deep down. In the dissection, we found chambers and different parts of the heart, such as the vena cava and the pulmonary artery. We dug through the left ventricle and the right ventricle to find multiple areas with the veins.
Now, I'm going to be talking about the snake bite observation. We have the CSI, and one of the things that we've learned is the do and don'ts of snake bite treatment. We also learned about the neurotoxics such as the king cobra and the hemotoxic known as the Malayan pit viper. We used clues and found out that first mate Sydney Young was bitten by a Malayan pit viper. For our heights that we had for our blood splatters is the highest was 66 inches high, the middle was 30 inches high, and the lowest was 12 inches high.
To give everybody an example of this, we have our 66 inches up here, our 30 inches down here, and way down here we have our 12 inches. We were trying to use this information to see how high the blood dropped at the crime scene on the Envisioneer.
Using the evidence we have and data we collected, we found out that the blood fell from 30 inches.
This week in Envision's Pathway to STEM program, we learned lots of different things in CSI. We did a lot of captain logs. First, we did the mystery powder experiment. We got lots of different powders. We had cornstarch, powdered sugar, cream of tartar, and baking soda. The mystery powder and the mystery powder. For the experiment, we added the powder to the powder, iodine, water, and vinegar. The reaction to the cornstarch and the mystery powder had the same reaction. Therefore, led me to believe that cornstarch and the mystery powder are the same, and it helped the captain by seeing what kind of substance Dr. Smart gave to the crew members.
Soon after that, we tested fingerprints. To do that, we got a cup with fingerprints on it. We put cocoa powder on the fingerprints and dusted them off. fingerprints match Shipwright Robert Neff's fingers. Soon after that, we tested fingerprints to do that. We got a cup with fingerprints on it. We put cocoa powder on the fingerprints and dusted them off. The fingerprints matched Dr. Smart's fingers.
We also